This website is actually being listed for €19, so you can buy it and, for example, sell it for around €200 to 300, because that website is just super strong and it had a huge amount of backlinks pointing to it. And yo, what is up guys, this is Hadi from HadiTech, back with another video. In today's video guys, we're going to be showing you how to actually make profit by domain flipping. What domain flipping means: domain flipping usually means that you buy a domain, a website, and sell that website for profit, and that's what we're going to be showing you today. We're going to be walking you through the whole steps of actually choosing the right domain, so in order to get the best domains possible and the ones that can sell, and how to actually list them for sale. Before jumping into this video, kindly drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and as usual, watch our previous videos because we do offer a lot of helpful info on this channel. We have done some case studies about AdSense, proof of marketing, all of that good stuff. So if you are interested, hit the bell notification and stay tuned in. And with all of that out of the way, let's just start with our tutorial. So in order to actually start with domain flipping, you need to actually go to a website called expireddomain.net, and this is the graveyard supposedly for expired domains. So we need to actually dig here for domains that are expired and try to actually renew those domains, buy them and list them for sale. But I mean, the process is easier said than done. There is multiple things you need to actually take into consideration before you jump into this protocol, but let me show you how to do it. So like I said, go to expireddomain.net, create your free account, then come up here and select deleted domains, and in here you can select the keyword of your choice. So for example, let me just select or type in diet, and once you do that, you will have a list of domains. Now you have a whole lot of filters right here, and you need to filter by the MMGR filter, which is the Majestic Global Ranking, and this is the filter that we need to use. So once you click on it, it will filter the strongest websites out there, and as you can see, the backlink, you gotta pay attention to the MMGR and the BL, which is a abbreviation of backlinks. So these two are two factors that you need to look at when you are looking for domains on expired domain. And on the right, you will see the status of these domains, if they are available, if they are sold, if they are waiting like for some negotiations, if they are bought back, etc. So you will see the status of these websites on the right. So we need to actually look for a website that is available, good MMGR, and has a good or decent backlinks as well. So for instance, let me check this one out. So I'll take this website, and you will need to actually head to a website called website SEO checker /spam score and paste your domain here and check the stats of this website. So click I'm not a robot and click on check, and just like that, you will need to actually verify these stats: the domain authority, the page authority, which is quite high, backlinks. We do have 23k, the quality backlinks, and the quality backlinks that we have here. As you can see, the more quality backlinks that you have, the most likely this website is actually good for domain flipping. So we have 33k backlinks and just only 1% that are good backlinks. Also, you can see the age of the domain and the spam score. The spam score is usually the most important factor on here. You need a website with a less than 10% spam score. The spam score is an indicator that Google uses to actually flag websites that are spammy. So if a website is spammy, you will see the score above 10%, and you don't want that. If you buy a website with more than 10% spam score, that will not be likely to be sold on the marketplace. So that's just a factor that you gotta look into when you are buying these stuff. So you gotta look for the spam score and the quality backlinks. So this one is actually not that good. Let me just look for another website. I changed the keyword right here in expired domain and just typed in review, all right? And a bunch of websites actually popped up, and I did the same. I filtered using the MMGR, and there is these top three. So I chose this third one because it had a decent amount of backlinks, and the MMGR is just super strong as well. And it says here that this website been deleted or was not operating since 2010, and we're gonna verify that as well later on. So this one looks to be good, and it is actually available, and you can buy it right now. So before we do that and show you where to buy it, let's just go ahead and analyze this website. So let's just head back to website SEO checker, paste the domain here, do the captcha and click check PADA, and as you can see, this domain is actually super good. The domain authority is just 56, page authority is 52, the backlinks is just 256. Oh my god, that's just a huge amount of backlinks. And the quality backlinks are 93. That's just super good. The spam score is 1, the page SEO is 70, and yeah, as you can see, this website is actually super good. And yeah, let's just take it a step further. Let's just take this one right here, take this domain, and head to Ahrefs backlink checker. You know why? Because you cannot really assess the backlinks right here, so you cannot really tell if the backlinks are good, if they're toxic or not. So let's just go to backlink checker on Ahrefs and click check backlinks, and with this tool it will show you the backlinks that are linked into this website. As you can see, the domain authority is just 49, it's just high, the backlinks are super good also, and we got 2k linking backlinks. So in here you gotta look for these backlinks, you gotta analyze these backlinks. If the backlinks are coming from casinos websites, porn websites, I don't know, some spammy low value websites, then that website is most likely not good to buy or sell. So yeah, be aware of that. So you need to actually go through these links. I'm not saying that you need to actually go through all of them, but you need to actually at least skim through these links, okay, and see if the links are decent or no. This tool will not give you the whole rundown of the backlink, so if you need to actually see the whole report of these backlinks, you need to actually buy the tool. So like I said, this one will just give you a brief explanation of how backlinks are operating and how good they are. Now, once you find yourself a good website, all you need to do is just click on it, and as you can see, you cannot buy it on Namecheap, but you can buy it on GoDaddy. So click on it, and yeah, that will take you to the GoDaddy marketplace. So the method is usually good for GoDaddy and Namecheap. These two are the best places that you can buy and sell domains from. This website is actually being listed for €9, so you can buy it and, for example, sell it for around €200 to 300, because that website is just super strong and it had a huge amount of backlinks pointing to it, and apparently the backlinks are good because I just saw a couple of them and they are decent. So that's just an example of how you pick a backlink. Now, if it was on Namecheap, which I did sell some websites on, for example, this one I'm listing, it's on sale on Namecheap. What you can do is just go to the marketplace. Let's just go to Namecheap, look it up in here. Once you do buy it, head back to your account, go back to domain list, and let me show you how to list your domain for sale on this marketplace. Let's just say, for example, that you want to sell this one. So click on manage, scroll all the way down, and you will see sell domain. Click on it, and just like that, they will tell you what price you are asking. Put in your price. Let's just put in, for example, $25. The listing period, just go for 30 days, and adult listings, select no, and take this option on. So whenever a person makes a purchase, they will send you a notification via your email. Then click on sell domain. Once you get the sale, go to your profile, and let me show you where you will find your money. Then go to billing. Then you will see the marketplace earnings in here. So if somebody purchased your domain, you will see the earnings in here, and you can withdraw them to your PayPal or your Visa. The same thing can be done for GoDaddy. It's just very simple and very straightforward method to do. All right, so we have reached the end of our video. This was just a simple method of how actually you can select some decent domains, buy them, and try to resell them on these marketplaces, which are Namecheap and GoDaddy. If you found this video quite helpful, then drop a like, comment down below if you have any questions, and yeah, see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves and peace.